Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. It's me Lovely and it's a lovely day. So today I'm going to show you unboxing Apple Watch Series 5. So what is this?
Nice.
Should be like this.
Yeah. The other side.
Nice. Oh, it should be like this.
Okay.
So they have,
Box.
and they have two bags for the bandits and the watch. Let's start the watch first. Okay, so I got the 40 millimeter.
Yeah.
It's 40 millimeter. I think it's too small, no?
Oh, no.
Oh yeah, it's too small.
What do you...
This is aluminum or
Yeah.
stainless?
Yeah. It,
I
put it on your wrist.
I choose the, yeah, it's too small. It's too small. I think so. I
It's as big
choose
as-
the rose gold.
Yeah. But it's big as your wrist.
I think it's fine.
If you want bigger, we'll take it back.
And so
The charger.
got the charger.
How does that work?
Got the charger.
Is it a wireless charger like your cell phone?
Yeah, I think so. It's a wireless charger. So I don't know how to open it.
Let me see.
Can you help me?
Yeah. Let's see.
Next, I got the band. Let's open the band.
You have to get this started a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
And then it pops out. Okay, there's your charger. Yeah, it looks like this sticks on something. Maybe not.
Can you help me, Anne?
Yeah. I think.
So, this is the charger for the Apple Watch. It's look like this. You just put in here and it will, it's magnet.
Magnet, yeah.
Yeah,
So
it's nice.
it's a little bit hard to get
It's
out.
very nice.
There we go. So you pulled it out of the thing.
And here's my band. It's pink.
You're big.
You're pink.
I think it goes which way you have it here. So this hopefully is the bottom, like that. And then the top.
So here it is. It's very nice. I can't wait to use it. I think I need to charge it first. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.